Hi, I'm Mark Taylor, Executive Director of NARSA and IDEA, and I'm here to wish you a Happy New Year. We hope that you are going to have a wonderful 2021, and we hope that you had a wonderful holiday season. We're really excited at NARSA IDEA about some of the things that we're doing this year. We just started a new webinar series called Lunch and Learn. We also have started a new podcast series called Solder and Soot. You can access the Solder and Soot podcast through your favorite podcast medium. So we're really looking forward to these two new things that we're doing this year. If you've been following us on social media or you've taken advantage of the free webinars and you see benefits to belonging to NARSA, we wish you would join today. You can go to narsa-idea.org and register your membership today. Once you register, you'll be able to take advantage of the past presentations that are archived in our website. You can also access the technical forum, which there's a cooling system side and a diesel emissions side. We have a member directory. We have access to vendors on our website. And so we really wish that you would consider joining the only association that represents the diesel emissions industry and the cooling system industry. So thank you for your time, and we hope to see you join as a member soon.